Psychological tricks to make people respect you instantly. Ever wondered when people will start esteeming you and how to make people admire you or how to gain respect? One thing people want in their life is to be admired. Everyone wants their associates, musketeers, family members, and others to appreciate them for what they do and feat them. It isn't easy to earn respect from others. When someone is being admired, also people take them more seriously and follow their words. If you want to know how to gain respect, also this videotape is for you. We all want to be admired by our master, our associates, indeed, our musketeers and family. But it takes work to earn that respect. First, you have to learn to give respect, act and suppose with confidence, and learn to be trusted. 1. Be relentlessly visionary. Do and always stay for direction from others. Use your own chops and coffers to start getting effects done and break problems. Get in the habit of figuring effects out for yourself. Do not be hysterical of a challenge formerly in a while. 2. Keep your pledges. This is by far one of the most important conduct you can take to start gaining respect. However, do not do that presently if you took commitments smoothly in the history. Always recognize commitments and promises. However, it means you make too numerous pledges you cannot keep. If you find yourself having a lot of trouble with that. 3. Stop apologizing. People who are constantly saying, "I'm sorry," without giving it an alternate study are generally not the bones that are well admired. There's a time and place for justifications. Occasionally, you make miscalculations that affect family and musketeers. You can apologize to them. Meanwhile, stop using the word sorry 100 times an hour for every little thing that goes wrong, especially in the plant. 4. Do not waste other people's time. Still, they will admire yours if you admire others' time. This includes not being late for movables, not spending meetings talking about useless particulars, getting to the point presto, bringing up issues right down, being brief, and of course, making it easier for others to make opinions, especially when they're busier than you. 5. Stop tattling incontinently. Always act as if the person you are talking about is right there with you. You need to admire others, indeed, if you do not like them. Everyone has desirable and undesirable traits. Realize this and talk from this Epicurean belief. However, you and your character will snappily come inapplicable if you talk behind people's tails. 6. Stop being too nice. Distinguish kindness from always having to do effects for people. Trying to make everyone happy would not get you veritably far. Being a pushover is largely undesirable if your thing is to be respected. However, some people might indeed suppose you are not genuine if you are too nice. 7. Exercise modesty. You are not always going to be right, and you are not the stylish at everything. Every person you meet can educate you commodity. Confidence does not come from a place where you were the stylish. True confidence comes from understanding modesty, and that every person has commodity unique to offer to the world, including you. 8. Have a moral law. Numerous overlook this important little piece of advice. What do you believe in? What's important to you? What makes you frenetic and want to change the world? These kinds of questions will get you to the core of your own particular moral law. Figure it out and partake it with the world in small quantities. All the great leaders of the world had a clear moral law. 9. Be open, inclined. At the other minimum of having a moral law is to remain open, inclined. Being open, inclined isn't complicated, nor is it in conflict with having a moral law. It simply means that you admit that you still have so important to learn, and you continue learning from others. Indeed, if you have a strong core belief system. 10. Add real value. Whether you are part of a community, a company, a group of musketeers, or a platoon, you'll be admired if you always suppose of ways to offer value to others. Value can come in numerous forms, but in the end, it's all about offering commodity to the world or to your community that can help by working a problem for them. However, people will admire you if you produce commodity of value. 11. Always do your schoolwork. This means do the due industriousness. When you are canvassing someone, do the background exploration and find out everything you need to know to make an effective interview. When you are going to a job interview, make sure you have done your schoolwork about the company and know what their requirements are. When you are talking to musketeers, hear and retain information from the exchanges and flashback effects that they watch about for coming time. 12. Excel at communication. Speak warmly and engage those whom you're speaking to. Be suitable to speak comfortably about a wide range of motives. Avoid vulgar and poor language, as well as using words like or like to illuminate your rulings. Communication is not just talking, it's about hearkening as well. Ceaseless talking is not the mark of a reputed person. Try to truly hear to others and be authentically engaged so you become more secure. Take a moment to suppose before you speak. 13. Keep your feelings in check. Remain calm in tense situations and speak in a calm, relaxed voice. Strive to act, rather than reply emotionally. Verbose bad situations whenever possible. And take a moment to suppose before incontinently replying to a negative provocation. Well-reputed people know how to keep their cool under tense conditions. During arguments, hold your temper to help escalations, and if someone raises their voice at you, respond calmly. These are many of the most important ways to make people admire you. Then are many further that you need to take care of. 1. Give further than you get. Give respect to get respect. 2. Admire yourself. Respect comes first from within. 3. Offer respect. Admire those around you. 4. Maintain your integrity. It's the foundation of earned respect. 5. Keep your pledges. We do not admire anyone for making a pledge, only for keeping it. 6. Add value. The more you concentrate on adding value for others, the further respect you'll get. 7. Learn to spell respect. Flashback introductory kindness. Encourage others. Stand establishment in your persuasions. Play fair and smart. Extend a helping hand. Beget no detriment. Suppose before you speak. 8. Find people doing the right thing. People will admire you for admitting them. 9. Avoid the temptation to partake everything in your head. No one needs to know everything you are thinking. Get respect by keeping it simple. 10. Be regardful of the passions of others. They are just as important as yours. 11. Hold to the verity. Express yourself with honesty. 12. Invest in what matters. Place your time and energy with the effects that are important to you. 13. Go outdoors your comfort zone. People admire those who take chances, take pitfalls, and seek challenges. 14. Suspend judgment. Indeed, though people will judge you, do everything you can to avoid making quick judgments about them. 15. Live your values. Do it just talk about your values, let them show in your conduct. 16. Be authentic. Live your life on your terms and live it bravely. 17. Express appreciation. The most reputed people authentically express appreciation in terms that are specific and positive. 18. Be honest but diplomatic. More to be honest than be emotional. 19. Stay positive. People respect positivity. 20. Fight the good fight on the critical issues. Respect is accorded to those who know which battles are worth engaging in. 21. Be curious. Ask open. Concluded questions and hear. 22. Go the redundant afar, and take others with you. Exceed all prospects. 23. Forge hookups. Compass yourself with people who have rates you respect. 24. Know your precedences. Identify the most important effects in your life so you can make them top precedents. 25. Spare into your likability. Whatever your position, you can be cordial and kind and connected with those around you. 26. Have a good memory. It's a big deal to people when you ask them about important events in their lives. Delegate as much as possible. Allow others to show off their strength and admire them for it. In turn, they will admire you. 28. Be inspiring. The bones who gain the most respect are generally the bones who inspire others to do great effects. 29. Always be on time. It shows respect for others. 30. Suppose ahead. Be aware of others and help them come with results and strategies that work for them. 31. Speak your mind. Strong opinions and lots of ideas gain respect. Just don't be offensive about it. 32. Be set. Show respect by knowing what to anticipate with each commerce. meeting, or discussion. 33. Do it be hysterical to ask how you can help. Do it shy down from people who are floundering. Indeed, if they decline your offer, they will flash back it. 34. Own it. Have strengths without boasting, and enjoy it by participating in it. 35. Play to your strengths. When you do the effects you're good at, you earn the respect of others. 36. Admit the quality of others. This simple station is worth everything. So this is all for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as you upload a video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next one.